Well, good morning, everyone. Welcome to the channel, Adventures with Charles, a man in his van. Well, my friend Lenny and I, we made it back from BC, and today we're going to be unloading the bike off the truck, and this is the setup we have for taking it off. I think she's going to work really well. But anyway, we'll get this pulled off, and we'll see you in a moment. Okay.
Watch underneath. Just going to slowly.
Stand using. Yeah. Get close. Yeah. You want me to hold the back? Pretty good. Your brake? Well, the wind caught you there. We successfully got the bike off the truck onto the trailer. Now it's on the ground, and now the fun begins. We're going to have to pull it apart a little bit, clean up the carbs. It's idling a little on the rough side. It's been sitting. I think Lenny's Brother had passed away about 3 years ago, so the bike's been sitting a while. It has been started on and off, but you know, due to sitting so long, I think the carburetors are gummed up. So we're going to get that addressed. And yeah, I bought myself a bike. Anyway, we're going to get this put away, or not put away, but we're going to get it put in the garage or outside, wherever we're putting it. But anyway, we're going to have future videos of some bike drives. May have to buy myself a GoPro to put on top of the helmet, something to put on the bike or whatever. But we're going to have some new adventures. This is just a short one for today. I got to take the trailer back to the lady that we bought it from. So that's it for today. Give me a thumbs up if you like the content. There's going to be new stuff coming out. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell. And we'll see you in the next one.